Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you exactly how to set PIN for your Sunbucks card in 2026. Now, first of all, you need to make sure that you have your physical Sunbucks card or summer EBT card ready. Now, you usually need your card number, your child's date of birth, and case details if required by your state. Now, your card instructions should also include the activation details. Now, in order to activate your card, you have three different options. So first of all, you can either call the phone number on the back of the card, or you can visit the official EBT Edge website or your state's EBT portal. Then you can also use the EBT Edge mobile application. Now, many states recommend EBT Edge for easier account management. Now, during the verification, you will usually be asked for the card number, sometimes the youngest eligible children's birth date, and additional verification if needed. So you need to enter the information carefully. After that, you just have to basically re-enter your chosen PIN in order to confirm the setup. And once accepted, your Sunbucks card will be activated and it will be ready for grocery purchases at EBD retailers. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.